Your first $1,000 is more important than your next $10,000. Most people waste it. Some let it sit in savings. Some gamble it, and that one decision sets them back years. Before you invest, pause. Do you have 3 months of emergency savings? Do you have high-interest debt? Imagine you invest $1,000 and earn 8%. That's $80. But your credit card is charging 22%. You're celebrating $80 while losing $220. That's not investing. That's math working against you. Kill high-interest debt first. Now, we invest. If your employer matches your 401k, that's free money. Then Roth IRA. Account type matters more than stock picking. Here's where most beginners mess up. They think investing means picking the next big stock. It doesn't. If I had $1,000 today, I would buy a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. You're betting on the entire US economy. Historically, it grows. Slowly, with ups and downs. But it grows. This is where most people quit. Not because it's hard, but because it's boring. Investing isn't exciting. That's why it works. The real power isn't the first $1,000. It's what you do after. If you add $200 every month, now we're talking. Wealth is built by repetition, not one big move. Most people think they need more money to start. They don't. They need the right order. Habits build wealth. Your future self will thank you.